Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. My oh my, what a wonderful day. Plenty of sunshine hitting my way. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. Ooh, wiggy. Gotta be too careful when you take that first hit. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is KDK, Kiodiekin. And this is some good stuff. So a few days ago, I had to hit up my supplier. You guys know who that is. And they make some really good stuff over there. I mean, some really good stuff. And this stuff really has a kick when you light it. I'm talking about the new Killa Ganja for 2020. Doug over at Red Apple Fireworks, they put together this really good stuff. And this stuff is really good. This is almost what I call the fatty. I mean, you kind of hold it like this, but no, you actually set it in a tube this way. And let me show you the tube. Here it is. So once you guys finish, you lick it up, roll it. You want to make sure you pass it around to all your friends so that way they get a piece of it too. Then what you do is you go ahead and you set it here in this little tube, just like so. But with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and check off the ignition. Let's see what it does for us. I'm really impressed with this shell. It really does some really good things as far as the concussion that it hits with. I know a lot of people really impressed with this shell. I know the geisha shell is also a really good shell. That one may have hit harder, I'm not sure. But this one has a really good effect as far as the concussion. And it really hits when it bangs too. So after you guys lick it, you guys want to smoke it, just stick it over in that tube and share it around with your friends. I'm sure you guys will love you for it. You guys can hotbox it. Actually, I was going to have a lot of smoke in here just to show you guys what this thing can do. I'm just joking. All right, let's check it out, see what this thing can do, and let me know in the comment section below. Booyah. Good God Almighty. Now that was a hit.